After all that focus on you men out there who love the highlight, let's get straight to what gets the women of luxury. Emeralds, diamonds, rubies, sapphires. The very mention of these is enough to set any woman's heart aflutter. But mention Shobha Asar, and there's a very quick second flutter. Here's a jewelry brand that designs for discerning women the world over, including our very own Bollywood beauties.
She is a name sought after by Bollywood's most sparkling. And in a short span of time, she's become an envy jewelry brand. She is Shobha Asar, and her initial jewelry line has become the preferred choice of high society for those oh so rare and one-of-a-kind designs.
So exciting, one after the other. Lots of people have started buying and people appreciate the designing part of it. I'm very happy for that, that my creation is liked by so many people.
The best gemstones sit pretty on designs that merge the contemporary with the traditional to create an international yet very Indian range that's causing quite a rage.
I wear a lot of Western clothes, but why I believe in her jewelry is I think she has the right amount of class to match my Western wear, which I always wear, like what I'm wearing now. I think it's a dress, but the jewelry I think is what is making my outfit and making me look more beautiful.
While she works largely by appointment, she also holds exhibitions across the world and has finally decided to go the retail way with this sprawling flagship store.
I've known Mrs. Asar for a while, and I've heard so much about her jewelry, and she asked me to come down today for the launch of Love and Envy, and I thought, it seems like the best way of coming and having a look at the jewelry, and that's why I'm here.
We always focused on the best of design, the best of workmanship, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to take this and give Indian retail a great feel of what they've used to experience overseas, to give them the same experience inside our country.
This carefully thought out retail experience is obvious in the design of the flagship store. And that's probably the reason why so many of Bollywood's young brigade gets photographed with Shobha Asar's jewelry on.
When I look for jewelry, I look for something that will be absolutely exclusive for me, and I think that is the USP of the brand, and that's something that I think will take the brand really forward.
I think we're going to continue to grow as aggressively as we have, maybe a little bit more aggressively now. We'll take our retail chain and take it overseas, take it to the rest of India. We'll do a variety of shows, a variety of stores, to continue to give clients the world over maybe the same experience that clients here are used to.
The whole thing about selling jewelry is the experience by itself. It's not just jewelry per se, but everything which is connected to jewelry. It's a lifestyle. From the time somebody comes to buy from us, knowing their personality, knowing the service which goes behind that, knowing the product well, the designing, the manufacturing, and the whole thing is one big experience, and I think people really appreciate that, when you take personal interest in their jewelry and make it for them.
So now you know where to go for that quick and dazzling makeover.
Kareena Kapoor wears her mantle of style with effortless ease. But most Bollywood A-listers have just about everything money can buy, be it jewelry or automobiles. When we come back, we'll take a peek at some beauties that occupy a private place in garages around the country.